Okay, this gorgeous, gorgeous Speedy 25 is of course by Louis Vuitton. I'm going to come back so you can see the size of it. I'm about a UK size 8'10", I'm about 5'4". It's a really, really beautiful, beautiful bag. Condition wise, we've said it's good condition, it's got good exterior, good interior, good hardware. There's just signs of wear throughout the bag. So I'm going to show you the bottom corners so you can see what they're like. So you can see just signs of wear. I'll show you this side as well. Signs of wear that you'd expect to have, and you can see the patina on the handles. I'm just going to pop my camera back on again. There we are, it slipped down, so there we go. The patina on the handles. I'm going to show you the zip pull. You can see signs of wear on the leather, and I'm going to show you the padlock. So again, you can see signs of wear. So it's got, let's open it up. It's a nice, easy to use zip. It's a lovely big canvas space inside. It's got one flat pocket just there. Again, inside, it's in good condition. Signs that it has been used. There's no major issue inside, just signs it's been used. Inside the pocket, the lining is beginning to peel away. You know the lining they put inside the pocket, often with older Louis Vuitton bags, it peels away, and that's beginning to happen inside the inside pocket there. The date codes I have listed on the description on the website. So if you go to the comments below this video, there will be the link that will take you straight to this on the product page. Look at it, it's just so beautiful, isn't it? When you're on the website, if you sign up for the newsletter, you'll get 10% off your first purchase. Also down below in the comments, there is a link so that you can follow us on Instagram. And if you like our bag videos, then please give us the thumbs up. Thank you.